Hi viewers, welcome to my channel English with Archie. This class is only for people who want to enhance their communication skills and who wants to speak correctly. So let's start our session. In my initial session, I have taken the topic proverb, कहावत, which means we can just communicate in a group of words. इसे ऐसे समझिए तो आपकी लंबी सी बात छोटी सी लाइन में ही ख़त्म हो जाए और सामने वालों को बात पूरी तरह से समझ में भी आ जाए. It will make your communication effective and more crystal clear to another person. Now let's look at the proverb which we can use in our day-to-day life. So our first proverb is when in Rome, do as Roman do, which means when one is in new place, country or situation, he must adapt himself to the new manners and customs. जैसी देश वैसी भूषा. हर एक इंसान नई जगह, समय, परिस्थिति के अनुसार अपने आप को अनुकूल कर लेना चाहिए. Now let's move on to another proverb. There is no smoke without fire, which means rumors do not spread unless there is some element of truth in them. बिना आग के धुआं नहीं उड़ता. अफवाहें तभी उड़ती हैं जब तक कि उसमें कुछ तो सच्चाई होती है. Now let's move on to another proverb. Strike when the iron is hot, which means seize a good opportunity as quickly as possible. जब लोहा गर्म हो तभी उसको पीटना चाहिए. हमें अच्छे अवसर आते ही पकड़ लेना चाहिए क्योंकि अच्छे अवसर जल्दी आते ही नहीं हैं. Now let's move on to fourth proverb of this session. Once bitten, twice shy, which means if a person has been tricked once, he will be more careful and alert next time. दूध का जला छाछ भी फूक फूक कर पीता है. एक बार धोखा खाया हुआ इंसान अगले बार के लिए सतर्क हो जाता है. Now let's move on to fifth proverb of this session. It's no use crying over spilt milk, which means it is pointless to feel remorseful over a thing lost that can never be found or mistake done that can never be corrected or rectified. घटना हो जाने के बाद या कोई भी गलत काम हो जाने के बाद रोने या पछताने का कोई भी लाभ नहीं होता. There are many more proverbs except of this. If you wanted more, comment down. I will upload more videos on proverbs. Hopefully you have liked this video. If you have any doubt, please comment down. I will clear all your doubts regarding this topic. Kindly like my video and subscribe to my channel. घर में रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए, सीखते रहिए और लॉकडाउन के बाद आगे बढ़ते रहिए.